At Cody Regional Health Orthopedics, we understand that every step, every swing, and every embrace matters. From everyday injuries to complex joint replacements, our team of orthopedic specialists is here to provide advanced care, right here at home. We treat hips, knees, shoulders, hands, and more, helping you get back to the life you love. Whether it's getting back on the trail, back on the field, or simply back to doing what you enjoy most, our goal is always the same: your recovery, your comfort, and your quality of life. At Cody Regional Health Orthopedics, our care goes beyond procedures and treatments. It's about listening, understanding, and walking beside you every step of the way. Cody Regional Health Orthopedics. Our care isn't just clinical, it's personal.